Guys, this really sucks. My ears are hurting. And if yours are, here's a simple tip. First step is yawn. And then the second step is chewing gum. I don't have gum here, but if I do have gum at home, chew it. The second step is to close your nose and your mouth. And then you're gonna blow out. And you might feel something here. My ears are really hurting badly. And some of those have worked sometimes, but I think this might just be like wax inside you. But then I don't know how to get it out because a Q-tip will probably like what you call pierce my eardrum. I can't really talk. Ooh, I can't hear it. And then it's like it just hurts so badly. And then it like hurts so badly I can't even talk anymore. So if there's any doctors out there that sees my video, please help me because these are really hurting. It's especially this. I try to see if anything will help on YouTube, but it just keeps on hurting every single day, and I feel like severe pain. Peace, guys.